Hello children, welcome back. We're going to learn how to read time and set time on a clock. So this is the clock. Just open it and you'll see a beautiful looking clock inside. What all things do you notice in a clock? A clock has numbers around. So this is basically called the dial. Okay. So you have numbers from 1 all the way up to 12. Okay, and you have two hands here. There is one hand which is smaller and another one which is longer. Okay, so the longer hand is at 12, right? So when the longer hand is at 12, you just read what number is pointed to by the smaller hand. The smaller hand is called the hour hand. H-O-U-R, hour hand. The longer hand is called the minute hand. Okay, so you just keep the minute hand at 12 o'clock. What number is being pointed to by the hour hand? It's 1, right? So the time now is 1 o'clock. What about now? Just hold the minute hand with your left hand and just move it to 2. Okay, so the smaller hand or the hour hand is pointing to 2 now. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Okay, so as long as the minute hand is pointing to 12, you can set the time to any o'clock by just moving to that number. Let's say you want to set the time to 5 o'clock, you just move the hour hand to 5. The time now is 5 o'clock. How about now? What time is it? So you can just see that the minute hand is pointing to 12. The hour hand is pointing to 9. So the time now is 9 o'clock. Okay. So when the minute hand is pointing to 12, just read out what number is being pointed to by the hour hand. And the time is that number o'clock. Okay. So let me set the time to be something. Okay, what time is it? The minute hand is pointing to 12. The hour hand is pointing to 3. So it's 3 o'clock. Okay, can you set the time to be 7 o'clock? So just hold the minute hand with your left hand and just move the hour hand to 7. Okay, what time do you see now? It's 7 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to 7. So that's how we read time to o'clocks, and you can also set the time. Okay, so go ahead and practice with the questions that are given in your activity book. If you have any difficulty, write to us at support@mathbuddyonline.com.